Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the one person turns black and white edit on CapCut. So select a picture where there's two people, and then you're just going to copy the first clip. So press copy, select the second clip and choose overlay and move it here. You're going to then select on the second clip and then choose edit, crop, and crop the person you want to make black and white. So about here. Then press the check mark button and adjust the picture to the photo. And then click on the second clip and then choose filters and black and white. Press the check mark button and then find remove background and click that. Then what you're going to want to do next is you're going to click on the clip animation in and choose fade in, and here you can adjust the seconds of the clip, like the duration of the fade in clip. And then you can you can adjust the crop. As you can see, there's still some of her finger left over, but it's up to you. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!